Hello and welcome back, honey buns. This bee has been buzzing around town helping Santa drop his naughty and nice list, and we were pleasantly surprised with what we found. From Hrithik's ex-wife Suzanne Khan being slapped with an FIR to the NCB not giving Arjun Rampal a clean chit, Ayushmann Khurrana signing Jungly Pictures' Dr. G and more. Here are the hot headlines of the day. You'd think that with Christmas around the corner, B-Town stars would at least try to be good, but no. In a raid conducted at a club in Andheri, the police arrested former Indian cricketer Suresh Raina, singer Guru Randhawa, Hrithik Roshan's ex Suzanne Khan, among 34 others, for violating the pandemic prohibitory orders. The bunch were arrested for keeping the establishment open beyond the permissible time limit and not following COVID norms. They were, however, released on bail. Meanwhile, word got around that rapper Badshah, who is also the partner of the club, managed to escape from the back gate when the raid was carried out. Another star still on the naughty list is Arjun Rampal. The Narcotics Control Bureau on Monday interrogated the actor for hours on end in connection with a drug-related case. RBs learned that the NCB has not given Arjun a clean chit. Zonal Director Samir Wankhede told RBs, "The investigation is on in Arjun Rampal case. We have not given him a clean chit. We have found a discrepancy in the statements given to us and therefore examining it. And if the need arises, we will call him again." In some filmy news of the day, Ayushmann Khurrana is collaborating with Jungly Pictures for the third time with a film titled Dr. G. After two hit outings with Bareli Ki Barfi and Badai Ho, Khurrana will now don the doctor's coat for the first time in this campus comedy drama with debutant director Anubhuti Kashyap behind the lens. Talking about his next big venture, Ayushmann said, "I fell in love with Dr. G's script instantly because it is super fresh. It is an extremely unique and innovative concept that will make you laugh and also make you ponder. Exciting much?" It's raiding films in B-Town as Salman Khan also announced the commencement of his next with Ayush Sharma in Antim. Amid speculations about the superstar backing out of the project, the first teaser settled all doubts when a shirtless Salman went up against his brother-in-law in what promises to be an exciting and action-packed watch. Meanwhile, it seems that Kartik Aaryan's next big film was initially offered to Kriti Sanon. Yep, you heard that right. Rumor has it that Kriti was supposed to do a film with Rahul Dholakia, which was supposed to be the film that had director Ram Madhvani taking over with Kartik playing the role of a journalist. But that Kriti walked out of the film for reasons best known to her. Also, the producers say as they didn't seem convinced with the reason behind her exit. Not the dhamaka we were expecting, but it'll do. One person doing good and spreading cheer this festive season is Katrina Kaif. The beauty who has often emphasized on the need for access to quality education was happy to announce that a school in Tamil Nadu built from the ground up by her mom and her charity is all set to take more kids under their wings. The school has been running for 5 years and working to provide quality English medium education to lesser privileged children. They currently teach 200 students, have classrooms up to grade 4 and need to add 14 more, Kat said in her post that warmed everyone's heart. That's all for today, folks. We'll be back tomorrow with some more juicy updates to keep you buzzing.